This is the situation right now, January 26th at 4 p.m. And the winter storm Juno, or some call it blizzard Colbie, expected to hit Connecticut at around 12 midnight. Right, it's 10 p.m. The wind's starting to pick up. Oh my gosh, this is so scary. Alright guys, wow, look at that. Winter Juno, or blizzard Colbie, is here now in Connecticut. Wow, that's a strong wind right there. Look at that, see? It's really bad. And they said it will stop tonight, but right now it's still 9 o'clock. And the snows still keep on going and going and going. But oh my gosh, look at this. That's how thick the snow. My grill. Stay home, my friends. It's getting worse right now.
My goodness! Walang grabihan ng snow! Di anas kit, halos di na makita!